All right, so that was it. Now I'm on part 6. So yeah, that's like what, almost like an hour and a half, kind of a video tutorial on how I did this. Thing. So yeah, sorry if it was a little bit long. It's my first time recording a series. But one thing. So yeah, this is working. Another thing I want to show you, like if you go to the inspection, I'm sorry, like the console log. I have this right here, and hopefully I'm not showing anything there. Okay, so I want to show you this part, the detection. Okay, so it's detecting, right? And it's kind of like 1, 2, 6, 7. But when it shows a truck, okay, it starts showing a truck. Let's get this guy here. It's gonna start speeding up. See, starting to speed up. So want to get all the details in there, and then yeah. So and then it'll slow back down. I have a condition in there, so I have a condition in there that it just kind of like times out right after it empties the trash, because after it empties the trash, it doesn't need to detect no more until when it does to, which is like the following day. So like that's the other thing too. Is, this was like a demo app that I did for just for like demo purpose. So what I mean is like the one that I did in my video demo, I had something that emitted this information to like another app that looked like this, because I wanted the emitter to be like on a device that I set up in my garage, and then that emits information, and then I can configure that to run, I don't know, 1 day out of a week. I still have to kind of set that up. I'm going to be using Node.js. I believe there's like some packages out there that I can set up like a timer on when it can run. So that'll be fun, kind of put a user interface together to configure when you want it to run, and then like a time frame on when you want it to run. And then Node.js is where I put in the Twilio to have text messages sent to me. And so that was pretty easy to implement. I can probably put something like a video on that too. And then Socket.io is where I used from Node.js to emit the information to my handheld device that had this up. It didn't have this because that was happening like on the back end. And that was fun too. So maybe I'll put like some demo videos on that just to kind of see how it was set up, because you can use it for other things. Yeah, so hopefully that was okay. You guys were able to get through this, and yeah, thanks for watching.